Howdy everybody, my name is Sean and I'm here at Marie Selby Gardens to talk to you about our monthly EcoFlora EcoQuest for November, Go Fig or Go Home. There are a wide variety of fig trees in Florida, everything from the edible fig, Ficus carica, to the large laurel fig behind me, Ficus microcarpa. Figs are characterized by a few unique characteristics. The first of which is the inflorescence or flower is pollinated entirely by wasps. And there's actually a wasp larva inside each individual fruit. Ficus aurea, the Florida strangler fig, is characterized by having larger leaves than most other figs, smaller yellow figs that are borne closely to the stem when pollinated. And like all figs, when they grow on another tree, they have this characteristic draping root structure that is often the first thing you see when there's a fig attacking a tree. Ficuses not only support a wide variety of mammals and birds that eat the fruit, but they also have specific butterflies that rely on them as well, like the Florida ruddy daggerwing, which is a beautiful butterfly with a very interesting caterpillar. Not all figs grow as strangler figs. In fact, many times the figs will end up on the ground and grow into free-standing terrestrial trees. And as you can see behind me, that as they grow, they will send down those same roots that they would normally use to strangle a tree to send out more trunks. And these allow for large, sprawling groves of figs. Having native fig trees is not only important because of all the figs and fruit that they produce, which helps support mammals, birds, and even some reptiles, but also because each fig tree has a unique species of wasp associated with it that helps to make all this fruit that so many animals rely on. While Sarasota and Manatee counties only have one native species, the Florida strangler fig, there are many species that are planted throughout the state that are not native to Florida. In fact, one of them, the Indian laurel, or also known as the banyan tree or Ficus microcarpa behind me, is actually a Class 1 invasive species on the FLEPC list. So before you go planting these trees in your yard, you want to 1, try to make sure they're native, and 2, make sure you don't have something this big ripping up your foundation. Fun Selby Mythbuster for you. Did you know that our banyans and ficus trees are not planted from the Edison estate? They were actually planted by Sarasota local and one of Marie Selby's employees, Grover Yancey, in 1939. And they were planted fairly large then, and now they're simply massive today. We hope that this video from Selby Gardens helps for you to figure out our local and invasive strangler figs. And we hope that you'll use this information to go out and participate in this month's EcoFlora Challenge, Go Fig or Go Home.